Oh my God, look at that. Wonderful, wonderful evening in Stockholm. It is 7:30 p.m. right now, and we have wonderful sunshine on this wild, rocky, nudist beach, Björnö Björkvik, located in Värmdö Municipality. It is so beautiful and stunning out of the open Baltic Sea with the beautiful sun as the beach is facing towards west, and we will have at least 2 more hours of sunshine right here. Yes, it is 30th of July 2024, beach the number 109, and I am once again exploring this beach as I was here yesterday as well, at the same time as well also. So same place, same time, but a bit warmer today. Currently it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and we have 17 degrees Celsius in the sea. So it is 3 degrees warmer since yesterday, based on the warm weather we have had yesterday and today, and also that there was not much wind to affect the weather, but the sea temperature of course as well. So we had earlier today 24 degrees Celsius, and I was exploring some other beaches here in Björnö Nature Reserve. But now I'm showing you once again this, that is quite actually huge, this beach that stretches of around 200 meters along the coast here. And it's a bit opposite from Björkvik Brygga, on the other side where the bus stop is actually if you're coming by public transport here. So super nice feeling indeed over here, and it is then time for another beach adventure with Chris in the beautiful Baltic Sea, of course. Right, then let's get going to enjoy the wonderful day here in the swing. At the entrance we have, same as yesterday, some rocks combined with some seaweed as well. But it is quite easy to get in, and you can basically stand also as I am right now. So it is so beautiful with the sun, indeed. And then it is time to take a swim here at Björnö Björkvik Nudist Beach and enjoy in the sea. Let's go! Amazing. It is brilliant indeed. I love it. Whew. Such a wonderful evening, and look at my view. Isn't it spectacular? I just love Värmdö out on the open sea, Baltic Sea, and beautiful beaches, both sandy and rocky. And some of them are even nudist beaches as well here. Cool. So yes, 30th of July, the next last day of the month. The summer is in full swing in Stockholm, and I'm so happy that I'm able to enjoy and explore so many beautiful places, and some of them I visit them several times because they are so nice and so beautiful, like this one for example that I have shown you yesterday as well. Björnö Björkvik Nudist Beach that stretches along the rocky cliffs here in the Björnö Nature Reserve. All right, then with this beautiful view of the sunset, it is time to wrap up this episode. So thank you so much for watching this beach adventure on my day number 109 this year in Sweden. So make sure to subscribe and like this video if you have enjoyed it, and if you subscribe you will follow more beach adventures on my channel that is called Beach Adventures with Chris.